welcome back, guys, to Mama Joan house where it's hot. I don't know when we say it's hot, I mean it's hot like a Scotch bonnet. Today, guys, you know me, I got the food. No? I am going to make you guys some veggie stew. You know why, guys? Because I have my meat eater and I have my veggie eater. So today I decide, say, you know what? I'm gonna cook some veggie stew for you guys today. Just a simple little veggie stew. Nothing too fancy, nothing too much. Just a simple little one. And you know who I gonna love it? Papa Ari, because you don't know what? A long time Mama Joan make him love veggie stew. So you know what? He's going to be in 7 heaven today when him get this veggie stew here. So anyway, guys, I am going to take you guys over to my ingredients for my stew. Let me show you guys what I'm using for my stew. I am using a cup of corn, 1 cup of red peas, and guys, this is the cup of red peas here that I have in the pot. I have it soaking for an hour. So this is it. Okay, so this is the base of the stew, the red peas. And I'm gonna use 2 Irish potato, 2 carrot, a piece of pumpkin, and a piece of beet, and some okra. So guys, that's all of my ingredients for my stew. I am going to peel my Irish potato and then I'll be right back at you. Now, let me put away my piece because I'm not using that piece. I just have that piece to show you guys. Now I'm gonna do my carrots. Do my carrot. Put in my stew. We just do 2 carrots at a time because the way now them go like faster. You know. You know, Papa Ari like with him carrot cut small, but I'm gonna eat some big one today. Some big one. Enjoy the big one. So that's that for my carrot. For my Irish potato now. Why this a knife is sharp? If you don't mind sharp, it chop off my finger. So I have to take time. Papa Ari like that. And I'm here messing around with the thing. So that's that. The okra, it cut up already. Now for my pumpkin, you gotta cut it small, you know? Cut it small. So this, guys, just a basic little veggie stew. Me I telling you, say, if you don't make it, I understand you guys, you know. I make some good food, you know, and you not even watch the thing. You understand me? I like the thing, you just want prank. So can't prank all the time. You have to love the cooking. Cooking is good for the food, is good for the soul. So all you need to enjoy the prank and enjoy the food too. You understand me? If not, it not gonna work for me. Oh no. So I didn't have to look better than that because you know I love one up to that. Okay, guys. All right. So that, and guys, I'm gonna use a half a beet. A half a beet. So there you go. That's it for my stew, for my veggie. Put a little bit more cut in my carrot. Cut them a little bit smaller. There we go. So there we go, guys. So guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna let the peas cook a little bit first, and don't forget 1 cup of coconut milk. You need 1 cup of coconut milk. Not going to put it in right now, but we need a cup of coconut milk. That's another part of the stew where you need, because you can't make stew without coconut milk. It don't work like that. And the Rasta man them we tell you now, you need some coconut milk up into the stew, okay? All right. So guys, this is my peas, and I'm going to put two cloves of garlic in there. So that going to boil into my peas, okay? So this is my cup of peas. Put it for boil, and I'll be right back at you. So it's gonna take you about an hour to cook the peas, you know, get the peas a little bit soft first, you know. But you know what, guys, you see this dish, you can cook it in 45 minutes, but oh, you're cooking in 45 minutes now. You can use canned peas, you know, because canned peas is already cooked already, so you just get your vegetable, your peas, and you just put everything in together at one time. But if you want the good tasting stew, it's good if you cook these peas from scratch, you know. You make the peas from scratch, you know. It's better, because you know what, I have to remember to tell you guys these things now, because you know what, we have a thing called sometimers. You know what I'm saying, Alzheimer's, but me not have Alzheimer's, me have sometimers. Sometimes it's here and sometimes it's not. So more time when I talk to you guys and me space out, and the sometimers kick in, because we forget when me I go say. But we dey on good terms here right now. So we just earlier on the sometimers did kick in, but it gone now. So me just remember now to make you guys know say only can cook this stew by using a canned peas, guys. So anyway, guys, we know me I chat too much, but that's alright. Now me I gonna put in my pumpkin, okay? Put the pumpkin in. Pumpkin go in first. Make that cook. This is a stew, you know, and you know stew kind of take a little bit more extra time. So look at the pumpkin. Put the pumpkin in there, okay. So I'm gonna give the pumpkin about so give it a 15 minutes, you know. Make it go and turn for 15 minutes, and then after that I'm gonna throw in the carrot. But make the pumpkin go and turn for 15 minutes, okay? So guys, pumpkin in, and I put in 1 cup of coconut milk. Yeah, because you need the coconut milk, you need that coconut flavor and the aroma where you get from. Like guys, if you ever boil garlic and peas, when you have boiled the peas with some garlic in there, it gives you this nice aroma. Plus with the coconut milk, oh my gosh, it is so nice. The aroma will come from its scent, you know, just make you make your nostril just sing. Guys, make my nostril sing right here now, okay? Alright, so here we go again, guys. Now I'm doing the carrot. The beet is on. Papa Ari said I need to put beet in the stew, because you can't make stew without beet, but I can make stew without beet. Although I love beet, but he said he need beet in a stew. So I gotta put some beet. So I put half a beet in a stew. Okay. So guys, I'm gonna let that boil till it get a little bit tender, and then I'll come back to it and put the okra. The corn and the okra. Alright, so here we go. So I'm gonna let this boil for another 20 minutes, and then I'll check on it and see how it go. Listen, this stew I gotta take a little while for cook, because it's gonna cook from fresh. So the peas, you need to cook the peas for an hour, so it takes a little bit of time. But if you want a quick meal, you have to just do it with a canned peas, and you just throw everything in the pot and it just cook down and boil in 45 minutes. But it not go as good as if you do it like this, okay? So I'm just giving you options, all right? And I will be back, okay? See, guys, when I tell you that the sometimers are kicking, I mean it kicking in. So guys, here I'm using a cup of mixed vegetable too for the stew, and I have over here a half a tomato, a half a onion, and a half a bell pepper, okay? So that's the next step for the stew, all right? I forgot to include it in, so I'm include it in now and show you guys it. So now, see the thing there, the mixed vegetable and the corn, put that in. Put in my okra at the same time, okay? So this is what my thing look like, my stew. So my stew look like. Alright. So I'm gonna let that cook, let the okra cook and the mixed vegetable cook. And then we come back for the seasoning. So the seasoning now is the last step and then we're done. So I'm gonna come back to that. And I'm gonna serve that over some rice. Put that in the oven now. So guys, this is the final stage now. Now we're seasoning the pot. So this is the onion, the bell pepper, and the tomato. Okay, put that story into that. I'm just going to go and cook with the rest of things them in the pot. I'm going to get some scallion. Then I have some scallion here. I'm not going to use all of that. It's a lot. And then in here, guys, I have half a teaspoon of garlic plus all, half a teaspoon of adobo, half a teaspoon of paprika, and half a teaspoon of spicy pepper melody, that's like another pepper, and half a teaspoon of salt. So this is my powder seasoning, and half a teaspoon of thyme. So this is my thyme. So this go in here now. Everything. Okay, so this is gonna come to a simmer while I'm coming to a simmer. So this is everything. Last but not least, you know, we have to drop a scotch bonnet pepper in the pot. Okay. Okay. So come take a close up now. Okay. Here you go. Guys, look at this stew. Look at the bubble, wait a bubble. And it's not gonna trouble you now. It's just a bubble. Oh my, look at it. Oh my god, it smells so delicious. Can't wait for dig into it. So my peoples, the stew is finished. Look at it, look at the body, look at the texture. The peas is cooked, the pumpkin, the Irish potato, the carrot, the okra, everything is nicely cooked. So now we go into plate it and we're gonna have some samplers, okay? Now
this look pretty honey.
Papa Harry and Sign, I go sample the food. See a spoon here, I take a fork.
Stop for
I mean, that's spoon, my girl.
I got spoon too, and then she gave me
people
more.
them say me greedy, you know, so me I try make them know,
Crave
say,
people.
I'm not that greedy.
Crave people
I
like
just-
to eat.
just
with,
crave.
They like to eat with spoon. Okay, so guys, this is my veggie stew
This
and
look good,
rice.
this look good.
So I hope you guys enjoy it.
This
You
look
know.
good.
So guys, I come to the end of my video. I would like you to like, subscribe, and hit that post notification bell things of mine so you don't miss a post when I post. And guys, comment below and stuff that you guys would like to see me prepare for you, because you know what, there is nothing Mama Joan can cook. So how is it, guys?
Just like you put meat in there, honey.
There's no meat.
It tastes good, honey. Not telling a lie, it tastes real good. Tastes like, yeah, you know what it tastes like? Like stew peas. The beetroot just gives a different flavor.
Yeah? Nice stew, eh?
Nice.
So
nice.
it's a nice vegetarian option.
Yes,
This is
yes.
so good.
Nice vegetarian option, as
This is
Science
so
said.
good.
If you guys want something healthy that doesn't have like meat in it, because sometimes meat is unhealthy, this is nice.
Oh, this is good too.
So guys, like, subscribe, and hit that post notification bell things of mine, and I will see you in my next video. And guys, please give me 10,000 likes on this video, yeah. Because this is a good stew. Watch the
Love
thing
it.
and make the thing.